lovelies, and welcome back to Touched by Heaven. Today we're going to be slaying this prom look. So if you want to watch me do that, stay tuned. We jump into this video. Let's just take a second to appreciate these brows. Into this video, I want to remind you guys to like and subscribe. We are doing 2 giveaways, one at the 50 subscriber mark, and that will be a Morphe palette. And the second one, which is 100 subscribers, will get my husband in full prom glam. So share. Let's get that going. If your prom is coming up, drop it in the comments and let me know what color your dress is, and we will create a look specifically for you. I always like to hydrate first. So we're going to be going in with our Hard Candy Hydrating Mist Spray and just spraying it all over the face. Spray. And this will give you that added moisture and that dewy look that all prom goers desire. Make sure that dries. Girl, we are going to get it in this prom. Now for some added glow, we're going to go in with our Versali Unicorn Essence. This shit is life. It's so good. So you want to make sure you give it a couple pumps first, and it mixes that product all real good. Then you just want to use about that much. Let's go in with some extra because we're trying to be extra, girl, because it's prom. And then you just want to rub it into your face. Alright, so I'm just going to jump in and do my eyebrows quickly off camera, and I will be right back. So we are back. Now, my heart is telling me to go bright, but my viewers are telling me to stay neutral. So, you know I'm going to give you what you want. Let's keep it neutral. I'm just going to be going in with a flat packing brush. And I'm just going to be carving out these amazing brows. Check them out. Ooh! Your girl killed it. All right, now that these are carved out and looking delicious, we can go ahead and prime the entire lid. Prime before you shadow. Prime. My lovelies, let's set that shit. We're using our CoverGirl translucent setting powder, and we are going to be using, where is my brush? Where did it go? I just had it. What the French toast? Oh, found it. Okay, so we're just going to be dabbing. Hey, dabbing that translucent powder all over the lid. Dab. This might take a while, so let's get some fast forward in motion. Now that we are primed and set, look, I know I promised you guys neutrals, but you know me, I gotta always be a little bit extra. So we're gonna go in with our Beauty Glazed palette. Oh, and I wanna go in with, let's be real extra. Let's go in with this one in the crease with a blender brush. Let's get it. Ooh, that's pigmented and it blends good. Beauty Glaze, you have done it again. I love all of your products. Guys, I know that this might look a little bit bright, and I promised you guys a neutral color, but once we blend it all in with the other colors and we put the rest of our face on, it won't look so bright, I promise. Moving on and keeping it classy, we're going to go into the same palette, and let's go in with this darker brown color, and I use a tapered blending brush. It really lets you focus on that crease that much more. So let's just pick up a little bit of the product. And I love with Beauty Glaze because you see, you notice they don't really have that much fallout. Like there's a little bit of kickback, but watch this. No fallout. No fallout at all. Like that shit sticks. So if you're worried about having fallout, you can always do with a damp beauty blender a 1-2 with some translucent powder and bake for a few minutes if you're worried about the fallout. But with this palette, we are not. Pause. Just go into a fast forward motion and finish these creases. When blending my eyeshadow all together, I always like to use little circular motions and then drag it down to my lower lash line. Ooh. Girl, let's get this done so we can get to some foundation. I need coverage bad. Like really, really bad. I'd die without highlighter. I promise you I would. So, we're just dragging it below our lash line. And then the magic is revealed. Oh, dang. We were so out of focus there. But look. Ooh. Beautiful. All of those eyeshadows blended very nicely. I love how this look is turning out. Now I am dragging all of this product down to my lower lash line. There's no need to dip back into your brush. Trust me, honey, you have enough on your brush already. Promise you. So we'll just 1-2 over that and drag it down here. See that? Alright guys, keeping it cute and classy, we are staying in that same palette. And what is a prom look without glitter? Right? That's what I said. So let's go in what color? Let's do silver. Ooh, silver. All right. So we are going to be going in with that. With a cute and classy, we are going to be going in with some glitter. Because, I mean, what is a prom look without glitter? You know what I'm saying? We're going to be going in with this gold color to keep it neutral for my fans. Keeping it cute and classy, we are going to be putting gold glitter on our lids. It's happening right now. Now to darken my outer corner crease, I'm going to be going in with that same tapered blender brush and some of this gunmetal just to give me the illusion of liner without having to take all the time to do the eyeliner. It's a dope trick. Watch me. I'm just gonna pop on some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. I am lashed, lined, and ready to go. So before we start, let's talk about sponges. These little bad boys right here. We all have them. We all know what they do. Now let's remember, if you have it dry, you will get a more opaque look, more coverage. A damp beauty blender will put the product in, but you have to work it in. So we're going to go in with it dry just because I want that opaque look. Hey, and while you're sitting here watching me blend it, why don't you hit that subscribe button? So we all know the most important step of contouring is concealer under the eye. We like it bright under the eyes. We're going to prom. Let's do it up. I'm going to be going in with my newfound favorite, and that is the Rimmel London 25-Hour Photo Finish Concealer. All right, we are just going to go in and give ourselves a couple little dabs. Dab. Hey. Just a couple. You know what I'm saying? Get a little bit more onto our little sponge. That's why I love it, because it has like this little sponge thing, so you never like get too much product. It's perfect. And if you don't have a beauty blender, this one's got one. It's got you covered. But I like to go in with my damp beauty blender anyways and just give it a couple extra little dabs. We're going to be going into our fast forward montage so you can watch me blend. Guys, so y'all know that I love highlighting. I will highlight my whole face and go out in public. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Anyways, we have been loving what Profusion has been doing to this face. So let's go in with this gold color, because we want to be the bride. Guys, you guys know that I don't usually do lips, but I swatched these two. One is Mary Kay, one is Revlon, and these are the swatches. They look really nice, so we're gonna try that out and see just how it works. Right, I am digging the way that came out. We're just going to go in with this Revlon Color Stay and just give it a little ombre moment. Alright guys, this is the completed look. Thank you so much for joining me for another sesh of YouTube and Chill. As always, if there are any products that you would like me to review, or if there are any cool fun looks that you see on YouTube or Instagram and you want me to recreate it, tag me in it. Let's get it started. At 50 subscribers, we'll be doing a Morphe palette giveaway, but you must like this video, drop me a comment, and be subscribed to my channel in order for a chance to win. And at 100 subscribers, you will see my husband in this look. Full prom glam. Don't miss it. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.